Hi, said sa vlog. Be, hi, said sa vlog ko, be. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, say hi. Hi to my vlog. Hindi.
Pero pwede yun na original gawin mo.
Wala akong replay eh. May pulos eh. Oo. Baby, say mama mo.
Stand backpacks up, please. Welcome aboard, girl. Welcome aboard. Ease the door. The door.
Be, be, tingnan mo. Ano? Diba?
Here.
Ay, may wing. Hi! Ready riding? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Riding the tram?
Back out of your way, sorry.
Well, my name is Trevor. I'm Ethan. I've gone away today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'm going to
We're going out.
On our way up to the Shaw Hill.
Yay!
Shaw Hill
I
is a
could hear
Tlingit word for the mountain. We are ascending 1,800 feet above sea level on the
1,800
only aerial tramway here in southeast Alaska.
Look at this.
Gobel Tramway is owned and
We're
operated
above
by
the cruise ship
Gobel
already.
Inc., which is a local Alaska
And the
Native
cars
corporation.
and the trees.
We were built
And
on August 10th,
Free salad,
1996.
tasty.
We will be passing through an Alaska temperate rainforest, which averages 90 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow per year. Some of the trees you may notice are the western hemlock, the Sitka spruce, and red alder. The Sitka spruce gets its name from a Tlingit island called Shiatakak. It has since been changed to Baranof Island. It has small, sharp pines, but it is the largest spruce in the world. So fittingly, it's the state tree of Alaska. The western hemlock are similar looking trees with the jerky tops. The Tlingit people found this wood handy for making utensils and combs. The red alder are the green leafy trees you see. It's used
It's
to
almost
produce
as fast as a
smoky
plane.
After the summer harvest, much of the food
But my
is
ears are
preserved
getting
and stored. As you venture down to the Sky Bridge,
Oh.
we have Gold Belt Tram Gifts. This is truly one of Juneau's finest gift shops. It features a gallery
That
of
is a lot of
genuine
pressure.
artifacts, so go on in and admire the quality work. Or at times visit with a local carver who does much of his work right there in the gallery. And while at Gold Belt Tram Gifts, you can pick up your souvenirs or a variety of other Juneau mementos.
What about when we're going down?
The Timberline Bar and Grill
I know, but
overlooks the beautiful view of the Gastineau Channel and the Inside Passage. You can enjoy tasty Alaska seafood featuring halibut and crab, as well as a large variety of beverages. Next to the restaurant, we have the Chilkat Theater with a complimentary film called Seeing Daylight. It's an award-winning documentary based on the Tlingit culture here in southeast Alaska, and it features many local natives. It plays at the top and the bottom of the hour. It runs about 18 minutes. We have a tram car running every 5 to 10 minutes, so if you end up missing one, don't worry. It's a short wait. Once we reach the top, we will be unloading onto the Sky Bridge. The Sky Bridge has windows all the way around for you to enjoy the beautiful view. All that we ask is that you please don't put any of your valuables.
Nandito na kami sa taas. Saan ba tayo? Diretso na tayo? Or ano? Diretso na tayo? Diretso na tayo? Hindi na tayo magpasok dyan kasi alam naman natin. Mamaya hindi na. Diretso na tayo para...
Tara na, saan? Baba?
Yeah. Mag-hike na kami guys. Punta kami doon sa pinakatuktok. Maulan siya. Ngayon, umaambon. Ready na yung mga kasama ko. 4 o'clock ka man, di ba? Be, magtrabaho?
Ay, may trabaho ka, be?
4 o'clock kaya magmamadali ito.
Saan ka magtrabaho? Sa Tracy's Bay. Baba na ng oras. Alas 4 pa naman. Dito sa
Okay,
baba.
siya na.
Sa kabila. Ay.
Oh my goodness.
Ano ba?
Mawala ako dito. Ganda ng mga kahoy, no?
Sige. Hoka, wala na inuhan. Tama ba yung daan natin? Oo. Panindigan mo na.
Panindigan mo na. Ang lakas ng loob mo. Alam mo, snow pa dito, oh. Oh my goodness. Para yung hininga ko sobrang lalim.
Kaya pala, iba yung daan na to. Hindi pa ako nakadaan dito.
Yan. Diyo ba?
Tayo, Gino?
Ha? Guys, yan siya. Nag-invite sa amin. Tapos, nagreklamo pa siya.
Pagod na siya.
Napagod na siya. Yan, ang ganda ng view. Nasa tuktok na ba tayo?
Malapit na.
Ayan. Yung itong isang lakas ng loob, mag-trail.
Ano ba suko na ba?
Yan, oh, ganda. May mga snow pa dito, oh. Yung batang lakas, oh. Hello! Hindi pa nagme-melt yung snow dito, guys. Mga 1 hour pa ba? Ah, mayroong tao din doon, oh. May snow pa nakaharang. Ay, hindi pa nag-melt.
Puro pa snow. Ano?
Ala,
Puro pa snow.
oo.
I wanna go the other way.
Magpicture tayo dito sa may snow.
Sige, sige. Guys, may pako pala sa Alaska, guys, oh. Tingnan niyo. Sarap to igisa. Si may pako sila. Yan. Kasi wala akong pera, manguha na lang ako nito para iulam mamaya. Yan. Sarap nito. Lagyan ng piniritong isda. Dito na kami sa tuktok.
Snow pa talaga, no?
Yan.
Okay, dali na. Tara. Okay. Do you know spruce tips, bebe? Alam niyo yung spruce tips? May kinakain.
Grabe yung energy ng bata, oh. Paspas siya. Hindi halatang excited. Yan. Parang kiti-kiti. Where are we going now? Right or left? Okay, go. Go that way.
We will follow you. We will follow you.
How many times have you been here, bebe?
Oh, wow.
Ayun no, meron pa no.
Okay, go there, Mayumi. Yan. Dito na overlooking sa downtown Juneau.
Selfie.
Yan. Selfie.
Is this selfie?
Yan na. Ang ganda. Diba? Yan na. Katakot no, yung pag ganyan oh. Galing talaga ng pilot kasi tingnan nyo kung sa tubig. Kung hindi yan ano, madritso na yan sa ilalim eh. Oo. Yan.
Talaga yan.
Sin, taas siya guys.
Almost 500. Pero nag-sale sila nung
Yung isa, palapag na. So, libre yung pagkain doon.
to be sininda.
Libre yung pagkain?
Tomorrow?
Oo, kasama na pagkain.
Yan, palapag na.
Maybe today?
Galing yung piloto.
Wala ang bear. Nagpunta kami, walang bear. Lagi may bear. Oo, lagi daw may bear. Nakapunta ka na, di ba? Oo, lagi ka na nakapunta. Yun pala.
Saan?
Tapos sabihin mo, atras, atras.
Huwag naman mag-atras.
Ay, nakakatakot yan. Ako muna, tere.
I heard a video that
O, tara, picturean ko kayo. Tingnan ko kung ano si Teresa.
Nagpakuan pa sa buhok. Ingon siya pag nana sa downtown, mag-ingon lang ta.
Naiga pa ay may buhok? Going to the front. There is no ice. Yeah. Oh. Close. How far did you walk? 1 mile? Probably a
1 mile.
Yeah. Hindi naman nila alam na. Alam mo kilometer. Alam mo yung sinalam niyo. Alam mo lang steps. How many steps ba?
Most of the time, the captains are like talking to each other.
Yan na guys, bumalik ka na kami dito sa my tram. Yan, so magkain muna kami ng nachos. Yan na. Dito kami sa restaurant papunta.
Mom, it doesn't have a
Ang malaking bear. Si Papa Bear. Uy, maganda dyan sa labas. Oh, yan dyan. Yeah, ito yung sa loob niya sa tram. Wala na pala.
You're meant to say who then, because owls say who. Because they say that. And you're meant to say who, and you were possessed by an owl.
So binibenta nila ang ano nila?
Bear.
I'm with my mama.
You're with your mama? Hug the mama bear.
With Alaskan Wildlife. Eagles over here. I'm assuming that's going to be bald eagles. Nice, well-known Alaskan wildlife. Anything else? We just got squirrels and eagles.
Pink bear.
Oh, you saw a bear?
Pink bear.
Oh yeah, you guys saw a taxidermy bear? There's a couple of those in the mountain house. Yeah. Unfortunately, the batteries were dead on the remote control bear.
Pink
You guys can
bear.
do that for me. No, I'm just kidding.
I like this.
Here in
I like
Alaska, we don't need remote control bears because there's an abundance of real bears. Well, if you guys have any questions about Juneau or the surrounding area, feel free to ask as we descend, and I'll do my best to answer. Otherwise, you guys are welcome to converse amongst yourselves and enjoy the temperate rainforest. I'm going to be spouting off some just random facts about on the wooden dockway behind our tram building here. You walk for about 5 minutes, a little over 5 minutes down this way towards town till you'll come to a big blue building. You can't miss it. It's called the Wharf. That'll put you at the traffic signal at Main and Egan. And if you guys walk up Main Street about 2.5 blocks, that'll put you at the steps of the Capitol. I'm not sure if they're still doing it, but they used to do like complimentary 20-minute guided tours over there if anybody's interested in checking out the state capitol building. And just as a reminder, folks, your guys' stamps and passes are valid on the tram all day today, so if your schedule allows for it, you're more than welcome to join us at the Mountain House later this afternoon with the same stamp or pass. And then finally, beside me on this white pillar where I'm tapping and pointing, there is a Scan Me QR code that will link you guys to the Gold Belt Customer Satisfaction Survey. So I trust that you guys are all going to pull out your phones and immediately, eagerly rush to that online survey to strongly recommend to Gold Belt Management just how badly it is that you guys would like to see a heated water slide returning us down this mountain. Yeah, we would have been here 20 minutes ago with that heated water slide, folks. Something to think about when you're hitting that survey tonight. And in just 1 minute, my friends, it's going to be these two doors that I'm facing and pointing out with the exit signs above. So I just ask that everyone release their hands from the rails along the doors and use caution there. The bear tracks on the sidewalk will lead you guys out of the building and hopefully to your next fun adventure here in Juneau.
Oo nga eh.